class. Good morning to you all. Now I am going to start from page number 62. Yesterday we have completed up to the story that there was an old couple who was very kind, and another there was a wicked couple who was feeling jealous because of the wealth of the kind old couple. Okay, what happened to them? Because the kind couple was having a dog who was very dear to them, and the dog helped them a lot to become rich. First time he found somewhere gold coins, the gold treasure, and later again when he was killed by the wicked old couple, he again came in the dream of the old couple and helped them, advised them to make a rice mill with the help of the trunk, the wood of the pine tree where the dead body of the dog was buried. And later, are you able to listen me, class? Are you able?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then later when they made the rice mill, all the mess of the boiled rice became the heap of gold coins. And that's why after the death of the dog, he even had the people, the old couple. Okay? In the second time, as we have studied yesterday, in the second time, are you able to see me? See the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next time again the dog came in the dream of the old man and said and advised him to take the ash of the wood of the mill, of the rice mill, and sprinkle the ashes on the withered trees. And as the same, the old man did the same. When it happened, all the villagers of that area came to see the wonder, the magic of. Are you able to listen me? Please mute yourself, children. Okay? Please mute yourself. Now, come on the text. As I told you yesterday about the custom of that time. At that time, there was a custom when the train of the dynamos passed by any village area, the people of that area used to kneel down and their faces bent down on the ground. Their faces down on the ground. It means that in this way they were showing the respect of the dynamos. Okay? As the same, it happened when the dynamos came to know, the dynamo of that area came to know about the magical power of the ashes of the dog. And later when he went and his procession was passing by to the villagers, everyone was kneeled down, and then the train drew near. Can you see my cursor? Class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The train drew near. One tall, complicated crying out to the people, by the way, get down on your knees, get down on your knees. It means a man came forward and cried to the people to kneel down. It means to sit on your knees. What he told? He told to sit everyone to the knees to show their respect to the local diamond. And everyone kneeled down while the procession was passing. It means when the diamond was passing by the area, everyone kneeled down. Everyone was sitting on the ground. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move. Suddenly the leader of the band caught sight of the aged man up in the tree. He was about to call out to him in an angry tone. But seeing he was such an old fellow, he pretended not to notice him. And passed him by. So when the giant was palanquin, you know what is the meaning of palanquin? Please reply me. What is the meaning of palanquin? Yes, 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 speak.
जिसमें बड़े लोग ट्रैवल करते थे.
Yes, yes, at that time there were not any loyal cruiser. That time there were not any loyal cars. So that time they were having royal van. On that they traveled. One area to another area. Just like that, he was also traveling on the royal van. That is called palanquin, and it was used by giants. Suddenly the leader of the band caught sight of the aged man up in the tree. It means when the diamond was passing by the area, he saw a person climbing on the tree. The person climbing on the tree. And he didn't like it. Why he didn't like it? Because he was not showing his respect to the diamond. That's why he got angry too. And what he told? He was about to call him out in an angry tone. But seeing he was such an old fellow, it means it was very old. The old couple, it means among the old couple, the old man was very old. That's why he felt kindness, he felt courtesy towards the old man who was climbing on the tree. But he pretended not to notice him and pass him by. When the diamond palanquin drew near, it means when diamond came near to the old man, he found who? The diamond. And look at this, when diamond came to the tree where the old man was climbing, he scattered it over the tree. In a moment, it burst into blossom. It means at that time, the old man was sprinkling the ashes on the trees. When he sprinkled the ashes on the tree blossomed. It means it became green. All the withered trees, it means all the dry trees, all the withered trees, all the old trees became green again because of getting the sprinkle, the pinch of the ashes of the dog. Not dog, the ashes of the rice mill that was made of the pine tree. Which pine tree? Under which the dog's spirit, the dog's body was buried. Understood? Then the delighted diamond. Yes, very good. Okay, listen carefully. Okay? You know that in ancient time there were many castles made by different nawabs, sultans and kings, Indian kings. You must have seen the Agra Killa in Prayagraj, Diwane Khas in Agra, Diwane Am in Delhi. These all are castles. These all are castles. Okay. So when Daimo saw the old man sprinkled the small pinch on the withered tree and it got blossomed, it became green, he felt very happy because of the development. Because of the development, he became happy, and just because to reward him, it means he want to reward the old man for his work, and he held him and ordered some present. Present, you know, gift. He offered some gift to the old man. What were the gifts? Silk robes. Robes, you know, the clothes. The clothes is robes. Silk robes, sponge cake. Cake, you know, sponge cake you must have eaten, I think. Fans, you know, and other rewards to be given. It means many gifts he has offered to the old man, and then he invited him to his castle. It means he invited him to his home. Let's go to the further. So the old man went gleefully. Gleefully means happily home to share his joy with his dear old wife. You know, class, whenever we get some invitation from somewhere, we generally go with our family members. Or that time, the old man was having only one member. Okay, his wife. That's why he went with his wife to the castle of Daimo. When the greedy neighbor heard of it, again the greedy neighbor didn't feel good, because they were not thinking even a bit single happiness towards the kind old couple. And he took some of the magic ashes and went out on the highway. It means they again took a small pinch of ashes to sprinkle on the withered trees, their own withered trees. Okay? So they were also thinking that all the trees must become the greenery, became green. But what happened? Let's see. They took some magic ashes and went to the highway, you know, the main road. There he waited until a Daimo's train came along, and it means they also wanted to show the Daimo the same magic just like the old men. Okay? It means they were having such a wicked quality that they were always thinking of just to degrade others. Okay? Because of this they were wicked. Instead of kneeling down like the crowd, he climbed a withered cherry tree. What he did? He climbed on the tree, a withered tree, just like the kind old man was climbing on the tree. Okay? Again he did the same. Let's see what happened. When the Daimo himself was almost directly under him, he threw a handful of ashes over the tree, which did not change a particle. It means when he sprinkled the ashes on the withered tree, nothing happened. And in spite of when the old man put, it means kind old man, when he put the sprinkle of the ashes, it got blossom. But this time nothing happened. Why it didn't happen? Because the magic will only happen when it will be done by the kind old man. Nobody was daring to do this, but the old wicked couple was again and again wanted to degrade the kind old couple. Understood? The wind blew the fine dust in the noses and eyes of In spite, what happened? All the dust stuck into the noses of the Daimyo and his wife. Then what happened? Let's see. Such sneezing, you know, sneezing and choking. It means became dry. When your throat became dry, that is called choking. It means everyone started coughing and sneezing because the small dust came into their noses, and it has been felt that he insulted the Daimyo and his wife, and it spoiled all the pomp and dignity of the procession. What it has been considered that this person did some impertinence to the Daimyo. At that time, he was the local government at that time, and he insulted Daimyo. The man whose business it was to cry. It means who was crying again and again to get down on your knees, get down on your knees. It means those who was the monitor of that procession, he cried. What he cried? Get down on your knees. Such the old fool by the collar. It means when he saw that the person sprinkled the ashes by which all people came in the trouble, they hold the collar of that old man and they dragged the poor old man from the tree and tumbled him. Tumbled him means to make them down. To make them down on the, smash down on the ground. And his ash basket into the ditch by the road. It means they throw the ash basket in the ditch. Ditch means, you know, ditch means drain. Drain, it means a hollow place where we kept some garbages to cover up. Okay. Then beating him soundly, he left him for dead. It means then the big old man became dead because all the warriors, all the people started beating him. Okay. Thus the big old man died in the mud, but the kind friend of the dog, kind friend, who is kind friend? The old man, the kind friend of the dog dwelt in peace and plenty. Now he lived long after this incident happily because no one was there to do such bad things toward the kind old couple. And both he and his wife lived to a green old age. Okay, it means later he lived his life very happily. Thank you.